శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 658th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము సభాపర్వము 78th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, when Pandavas were about to leave Kauravas assembly, then Vidura saying to Pandavas like this, O my dear Pandavas, Arya Prudha Rajaputri na aranyam gantum arhati, Sukumari cha vruddha cha nityam chaiva sukhochita. Your mother Kunti Devi doesn't have to come along with you. She doesn't have to go through all these troubles in the forest. She always were in the comforts. So she will be in our home. We will take care of her. You all know about me. I wish you all good health. Like that, when Vidura said, Pandava saying, Oh my dear father, yes, whatever you say, we will obey your orders. Not only you are our uncle, but you are equal to my father. And we are all under your protection. Whatever you order, we will do like that. Not only you are like a father to us, but also Tvam Hinah Paramo Guruhu. You are our teacher. You are our Guru. Please tell us if there is anything else that we have to do. Like that, when Pandavas asked Vidura saying, O Dharmaja, please remember one thing. You were not defeated in a righteous way. You were defeated in an unrighteous way. So you don't have to worry about this. Don't always think about this. You know about dharma. Arjuna can fight any battle and win over enemies. Bhimasena can kill any number of enemies. Nakula can bring all the wealth. Sahadeva has such a great amount of patience. Now Dhaumya, Purohita, is also coming along with you. He is such a greatest scholar. And on top of all this, Dharmardha Kusala Chaiva Draupadi Dharmacharini. Your wife, Draupadi, she knows everything about Dharmam. And most importantly, Anyonyasya Priya Sarve Tadhaiva Priyadarshanaha. You all like each other. That is why everybody wants to see all of you. Everybody feels happy to see all of you. In this world, nobody can separate you brothers. And there is no one who doesn't like you brothers. Like that, Vidura saying to Pandavas. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నారాయణ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ నారాయణ నారాయణ. Srimanarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Srimanarayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.